guys, in today's video we're going to be doing an SEO audit for a garage repair company out of Los Angeles, California. Extremely tough niche and an extremely tough area because they got almost 4 million people that live out there.
What?
And that's a huge area, huge population, and a tough niche. So without further ado, let's dive right into this audit.
It's easy to see when you look at me.
So this is one of the toughest niches out there. And it's in a big city, almost 4 million in population. Okay, it's out in Los Angeles. This is probably one of the niches I get a lot of. This and locksmith. And generally what happens is they go to some SEO, the SEO says, oh, this is a really tough keyword to get ranked.
Damn!
Well, let me explain why it's a tough keyword to get ranked, since no one else is going to explain it to you. You have a population of about 4 million. 4 million. The more people you have in an area, the larger the area, the more dense the population, the more competitors or competition you're going to have.
Okay.
The more competition you have, the more people you gotta beat, the more people are fighting to be in the Google Map Pack and on page 1 of Google in the organic rankings. That's what these SEOs mean when they say it's a tougher niche. It is a tougher niche, but this is why it's a tougher niche. It's a tougher niche based off of the sheer fact that you got a larger population, more people, a dense area where everybody's trying to compete for this keyword. Now that being said, let's go ahead and do the audit. We're going to use the all-in SEO tool. Okay, it's a plugin and it pretty much tells me right off the bat a couple of things. For example, your H1 header, you got multiple H1 headers. Besides multiple H1 headers, you don't even have the H1 header that you need to have right here, what we like to call above the fold.
Really, nigga?
Above the fold being, what do I see when I look at your website? What's the very first thing I see?
Surprise, motherfucker.
I see a gray looking whatever the fuck it is.
Another one.
I guess it's supposed to be a garage door. It doesn't look like it to me, okay? That's one of the very first things I look at whenever I see it, and I'm telling you, if I see this, I can guarantee your clients are looking at it as well.
Wow.
Okay? I see a gray screen. What is it? Welcome to Clark's Garage Door and Gate. Alright, let's go through here, see what type of text we're dealing with, what type of content we got. As far as your keywords, you got 1,300 in content here. That's decent. You know, we're going to look at a couple of things. This is a little bit of text. It doesn't really tell me what it is. Okay, you got your logos here for who you deal with. Got some more information here. More information here, more information here. But I don't see anything. Then way down here, got your fucking coupons. Why is your coupons in your footer? No one really even looks at your footer, dude. No one really looks at your footers. If you're putting coupons in the footer, just stop, okay?
Stop it. Get some help.
Search catalog. What the hell?
What?
What is the search catalog? What is this?
What the fuck?
Okay, if it's what I think it is, it shouldn't be in the very bottom of your website. That's, you know, I would never put it there. Coupon's never there. All right. Now up here, I want to put all my services. What do I do? Okay, what are your services? Garage door services, gate services, commercial services. What most people don't realize, especially, then you got all these installations. Okay, you got repairs, handles, spring repair, opener repair. You got tons of stuff that you can have pages about. Let's just say, for example, let's take this one, just installations. Let's see how much content you have on here. All right. This content right here is not enough to get ranked for a very spammy niche in a high population area. You're talking, you got 425 words of content on this page about this subject. You need at least 1,500 words. We're going to look at your competition as well, but just right off the bat, these are some things I'm noticing. You don't have your reviews on your homepage. You don't have a GMB embedded anywhere on this entire website. When I go look for you on the web, I don't see anybody. And this is not you. And this is what I find when I look for your address. I find nothing related to the GMB. I find Facebook. I find, Yelp. I find everything but what I should be finding. All right. So let's go back here. Let me shut this window down. So as far as on-page technical SEO, you have almost 19,000 issues that need to be fixed immediately. 132 404 pages. You have dynamic URLs. You got too long URLs. You got 160 broken links. All right, just that right there. 160 broken links. Empty title tags, duplicate titles, duplicate descriptions. All this shit needs to be fixed. I'm going to send this over to you when I'm done. Then as far as your rankings, you're ranking only 18% visibility in all the search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, Google Maps. That means every time someone goes to look at any of your keywords down here, they're not finding you, okay? Even if I put in the city. If I put in the city, then you pop up in organic. But no one's usually doing that, right? Now if I go to mobile, I find you some, right? But I'm not really finding you. Like 19%, that's nothing. That is honestly embarrassing. If you really want to target this niche, you're going to have to really hunker down and really put in the work, because this niche is not easy. You're talking 4 million in population. All right, let's go over to, I couldn't even do a GeoGrid, which I want to do, and they'll say, hey, you're ranking here and here and here. I can't even do that because I can't even find you whenever I go looking for your website, no GMB or anything. So I need to have that to actually do that. But if we look at your ranking report, it sucks. And the reason it sucks, you don't have, you're missing a lot of very important information. As far as, let's look at your competitors. If we were to look at Los Angeles, let's go Los Angeles garage door repair. Now obviously this is not an incognito, but let's just take this one. All right, let's look at their website just to see. I'm doing this on a whim, right? So you already see they got the keyword. As soon as I look at the site, it's already there. They got a call to action right here. This site is beautiful. All right, book online, phone number. You got gate repair. That looks like what they're concentrating on. Then you got their services over here as well. Okay. Garage door repair, Los Angeles. Look at that. And it's hyperlinked. And they got good information. Then they got commercial garage door repair. They got that information here. They got the service areas here. They got what they do here. They're listing out all their services. They're telling you why to choose them. They got the booking. They got their reviews on the home page, right? They got the GMB embedded on the home page. There are a lot of little things that a lot of you guys miss when you're doing your SEO, and that's why I reiterate and show you over and over and over again the basics. Not even trying to get any hacks and tweaks, because a lot of you chase these hacks and tweets around and you don't even have the basics done. Okay, so what we want to do is get the basics done. Now, I'm going to see if I can see his sitemap. If I can tell you about how many pages he has. That's what I like to be able to do. And if I can't, I can't. But let me look at one other place. XML. So here's his sitemap. So if I was to look at his sitemap, just on his page sitemap, he has not too many pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say he's got 10 pages. All right.
Okay.
Then as far as his posts or his blog posts, look how many posts he has. So let's say he's got 90 altogether. And you're coming out here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's say 30 pages. He's got 90 pages of content, and you're coming up in here with 30, okay? That's not ever gonna work. When you have more content, I can anchor the text, I can do internal linking, I can create press releases, blogs, YouTube stacks, a lot of different things that I can do that you're not even beginning to do.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay? So that's going to be my advice for you, especially a lot of you guys in these spammy niches, and you're coming out here with 400 words of content. That's not going to work. This page alone has almost 1,700 words of content. So he's got his content, his internal linking, his entire structure on point. Okay? Let's see if I wonder if no, he don't got YouTube on here. That's the one thing I would add. YouTube stack, YouTube videos, stuff like that. But if you look at his service pages and his home page and everything else, he's got 1,700 words of content, 1,800 words of content on every single page.
Wow.
Okay, like this page. 1,500 words of content. So number one, get more content. You're like, William, I can't write. I can't do that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, I sell content. If you go over to Rank Fortress, you know we sell content.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
You know, that's one of the very first things I'm going to tell you to do. Go buy content.
You go too fast.
You know, let's look at some things. So content-wise, I got content writing. 500 words is only $25, okay? But if you let us do your SEO, I'll guarantee you're going to be in the top 3 within 3 months, even in a spammy niche. But with this niche
Yeah, boy.
being in Los Angeles, huge population, you're going to be at $1,500 or $1,497 a month. I need 3 months worth to really hunker down. Now, what does that come with? Because a lot of you guys asked that. So we're going to do all the technical SEO, fix all the technical SEO. Then on top of it, we're going to be managing your GMB. I don't even know if you have one because I don't even see your GMB on your homepage. I can't even Google your brand name and find your GMB with your address. I don't know. Maybe you don't. Maybe you got unverified, or some you got competition that's coming after you. I don't know. We do a lot of GMB tasks, answering questions, posting services, posting images, on a 5-day-a-week basis. We also do 4 blog posts a month, all 1,500 words. Then we take that, we make that a press release. We also make it a YouTube stack, and we give you geo-relevant backlinks. That's what we can do. Unlike a lot of people, I actually guarantee my work. If you're not in the top 3 within 3 months, we keep working for free until you are there. So I hope that this audit helps you. I'm going to email you all this information over along with the video. If you have any questions, email me back and I will gladly answer them. If any of you other guys have any audits that you want me to do, just send them on over and I'll do that for you. Till next time, be blessed.
I
have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitchin' and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud. Guess I'm the SEO devil, shouting fuck the SEO guys. White hat SEO doesn't make sense, going with the goody goodies. Up in heaven dressed in white, I like black Timbs, I like black hoodies. Fake SEOs up